we will discuss the closure property on whole number, integer, and also rational number. In the previous class, we will do the homework. Do this. Fill the blanks in the table. Fill the blanks in the table. Closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, which are satisfies, which are does not satisfy. Here, see the table, page number 6. Page number 6. Fill the blanks in the table. Table. Property under under the four operations. Multiplication, which are does not satisfied. Whole number, integer, and rational number. Integer and number. Yes, no. Yes. Yes. This is the table. We will fill the blanks. The remaining are blanks. Or no. That means the condition satisfied or not. Here, natural number. Addition is closure. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here, subtraction. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. It is not a natural number. So, no. 2 3s are 6. Yes, it is a natural number. Next, division. 2 by 3 is not a natural number. So, answer is no. Next, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Yes. 2 equal to minus 1. That is not a whole number. So this is no. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Yes. And no. The next one, integer. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Yes, it is an integer. So answer is yes. Here subtraction is yes. Multiplication. 2 plus minus 1 is equal to 1. Here addition is yes. Multiplication 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So it satisfies 1 by 2. 1 and 2 are integers. 1 by 2. It is not a integer, so it does not satisfy. So the property under division is not closure. Next. Yes. So any two numbers, we are getting a rational number, and subtraction is also a already given, it is S, and division means 1 by 2, 2 by 5, and also 3 by 6, all are the rational numbers, but 2 or 1 by 0 is not defined. Anything by 0 is not defined. So all properties, all elements are not okay. So division. Next. The closure property. Today we are discuss the commutative property. Property. A comma B. Two values. A comma B are any two natural numbers or whole numbers or integers or rational numbers. Then we are changing the order. We get the same result. Then it holds the commutative property. That means with respect to addition, A plus B is equal to B plus A. These two values are equal. They satisfy commutative property under addition. Here the addition are there. A plus B, B plus A. In case of A minus B is equal to B minus A minus B is equal to B minus A. This also satisfies under subtraction. Or and next one is division. Symbols: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In all the operations, we will change the order of A and B. The LHS value is equal to RHS value. The LHS value is equal to RHS value. Then the number satisfies the commutative property. Check the following are satisfies and which are not satisfies. The first whole number in textbook, page number 6, there are given a table. Giving the table in whole number. Giving the table on whole numbers operation. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, examples, and remarks. which are satisfies and which are does not satisfies. Here some blanks are there. We will fill the table on textbook and also write in the notebook. First one is whole number. Operation example remarks. Addition. 2 and 3 are whole numbers. Are whole numbers. Number 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We are changing the order. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, these two values are equal. Here 5, 5. So both the values are equal. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. So under addition, it is commutative. The question is and the next one is subtraction. Here similarly 2 and 3 are whole numbers. 2 is equal to minus 1 and we are changing the order. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and first value is minus 1 and second value is plus 1. So these are not equal. Therefore 2 minus 3 not is equal to 3 minus 2. 2 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 2. Therefore subtraction is not commutative. The values are not equal, so they are not commutative. Commutative. Not commutative. Not commutative. Next one is multiplication. Take these two values. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 3 into 2 is equal to, it is also 6. Therefore 2 into 3 is equal to 3. so it is commutative. And the next one is division. The values 2 by 3 is 2, 3 by 2. These two values are not equal, so it not holds. 2 not equal to 3 by 2 or 2 divided by 3. That means 2 is not equal to 3 divided by 2. A is not equal to B divided by A. This is not satisfied, not equal. So division is not 2. Division 2. We are taking another values to verify the result, which are commutative and which are not. So in this table, addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, and division is not commutative. That means addition and multiplication are commutative, and the remaining two, that means subtraction and division, are not commutative. Next, integer. The table addition. And here value is addition is commutative. Integer. For integer, we will write the example. So I am taking -3 and 2. Integer. Minus plus 2 is equal to -3 plus 2 is equal to -1, and 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to -1. Plus into minus, -2 minus 3 is equal to -1. Therefore, -3 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus -3. So addition is commutative for integers. The last table, in previous table, addition is commutative on whole numbers. It is on integers. And next is subtraction. Here 2, 3 are integers. They are integers. 2 minus is equal to 2 minus 1 and 3 equal to. We are changing the order. This value is 2, 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. Here the value is minus 1. This value is 1. So they are not equal. 2 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 2. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative for integers. Commutative for integers. Commutative for integers. And the third one is multiplication. Multiplication. Also we are taking 2 and 3 are integers. 2 integers. 2 into 6 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. These two values are equal. Therefore, is equal to 3 into 2. A into B is equal to B into A. Therefore, multiplication division. Two integer 2 is equal to and 3 equal to 3 by 2. Equal. Therefore, 2 divided by 3 not equal to 2 3 divided by 2. Therefore, division is not commutative. Division commutative. Integers. Not integers. Next one is all these four operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and also division, which are satisfies the commutative and which are does not satisfies the commutative, will verify the result. First one is for rational number. number. First one is addition. First one is take two rational numbers. Rational number. Here they are taking 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. 5 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4 and add them. That means in addition they are satisfies or not. That means they are commutative or not. A plus B. That means we are adding 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. Here take LCM 2 comma 4. 2 1s, 2 2s, again 2 table, 2 1s, 2 1s. LCM is 2 into 2, 4. 2, 4 in 2 times, 2 into 5 minus 3 into 1. 4 divides 4 in 1 time. That means 1 into minus 3. That is equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 3 1s are 3 by 4. 10 minus 3, 7 by 4. 10 minus 3, 7 by 4. And we are interchange the order these two values. Minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2. Here LCM is also 4. 4 divided 4 one time. 1 into minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 plus 2 divided 4 in 2 times. 2 into 5. Minus 3 plus 5 2s are 10. 10 by 4. 10 minus 3. 4. 10 minus 3, 7 by 4. Here value is 7 by 4 and this is also 7 by 4. These two values are equal. By 2 plus minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2. This is commutative rational numbers. Rational number. In generally, we say that for all symbol is for all. A comma B belongs to Q. The symbol belongs to A comma B belongs to Q. That implies A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. The property under addition. Next one is subtraction. Next one is rational numbers. Rational number 2 by 3 and 7 by 8. and 7 by 8. Now 7 by 8 is equal to, take LCM, so there is no common table, so LCM is 3 into 8, 8 3s are 24, here 2 into 8, minus 3 into 7, are 16 minus 21 by 24, that is equal to 16 minus 21 minus 5 by 24, minus 5 by 24, and next one is changing the order, 7 by 8 minus 2 by 3, here take the LCM is 24, 3 into 7, 7 into 3 minus 2 into 8, 21 minus 8 to 16 by 24, that is 21 minus 16, 24. This value gives minus 5 by 24, this value gives plus 5 by 24. These two values are not equal. This is the minus symbol, it have minus symbol, it have positive symbol, plus symbol. So these two values are not equal. So these two values are not equal. That means 2 by 3, 7 by 8 not equal to 7 by 8 minus 2 by 3. 7 by 8 minus 2 by 3. These two values are not equal. So subtraction not commutative for rational number. Rational number. Rational number. In general, we say that for all a comma b belongs to Q. For all a comma b belongs to Q, a minus b not to b minus a. A minus b not equal to b minus a. Next one. Take two rational numbers, 2 comma minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. Which are satisfied or not? 2 into minus 5 by 7 is equal to 5. 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 10 by 7. Minus 5 by 7 into 2, that is equal to minus 5 to 10 by 7. Minus 10 by 7 is equal to minus 10 by 7. Therefore, these two values are equal. 2 into minus 5 by 7 is equal to minus 5 by 7 into 2. Equal, these two values are equal. So, is commutative for rational number. Rational number. In general, we say that for all a comma b belongs to Q. For all a comma b belongs to Q, b is equal to b into a. A into b is equal to b into a, which is satisfies. So it is commutative for integer multiplication. And next one, division. Take two rational numbers. 7/3 and 10/9 and 14/9. Yeah, with the two values 7/3 and 14/9. 7/3 divided by 14/9 is equal to 7/3 divided by 14/9 is equal to 7/3 into, here there is a fraction, with the division we will write the multiplication. The fraction is reciprocal, it is reversed, that means 9/14. 9/14, 3 ones, 3 threes, 7 ones, 7 twos. The value is 3/2. The value is 3/2. Now we are taking 14/9. 14/9 divided by 7/3 by 9 into, the fraction is changes to reciprocal, 3/7. 3 ones, 3 threes, 7 ones, 7 twos, that is equal to 2/3. The first value is 3/2 and the second value is 2/3. These two values are not equal. These two values are not equal. Therefore, 7/3 divided by 14/9 is not equal to 14/9 divided by 7/3. These two values are not equal. So, they are not commutative. Division is not commutative for rational number. Number, generally we will write that for all a comma b belongs to Q. For all a comma b belongs to Q. Q means rational number. That implies a divided by b. Not equal to b divided by a. Not equal to b divided by a. It is not commutative. Not commutative. Table, the page number 9. Page number 9. Do this. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. Numbers commutative with respect to. Commutative with respect to. which are commutative or which are not commutative. Here the numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. We will discuss the commutative property, which are satisfied, which are not satisfied. Here addition, yes. Subtraction, no, for natural numbers. Multiplication, yes. Division, blank. You will fill the blank. Remaining blanks are there. We will write the table. This complete the following table. Following table. Complete the following table. Number table. With respect to that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Subtract. And last one is division. Natural number. You are giving yes, no, yes, dash. Whole number. Dash, no. Is there? Dash, dash. And the fourth one is rational number. For natural number, addition is yes, subtraction is no, multiplication is yes, division is no. Because of 2 by 3, it is not a natural number. 2 by 3 not equal to 3 by 2. Next, for whole number, addition is yes, subtraction is no, multiplication is yes, division is no. For integers, addition is yes, subtraction is no, Multiplication is yes, division is no. Already we will write the previous tables for whole number, for integer. We will write addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We will write the examples also. For rational number, addition is yes, subtraction is no, and multiplication is yes. We will verify the results for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in the previous examples.